here, and here is about a year update. I did a video showing painting my tub with the appliance paint. Holding up pretty good. I did buy a new bottle, actually, or new can, I should say, and touched up a few parts here, and then a little bit at the top there. But overall, it held up pretty good. Can't complain. So, still pretty white. And I only put on one coat, so this is just one coat, and it held up pretty nice. So I touched up a few spots, spot check, but overall, it's looking pretty good. And the paint is pretty cheap, much easier to use than the other paint that they offer to do this, and a much easier process. So if you want to save yourself a little bit of money and time, I would just get this appliance paint. And I got the glossy white, but I think there's two other colors you can pick if you choose. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions.
If you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.